ready for this?
So apparently there's briars and stuff, and I don't have shoes on. Are you filming already? Good. I don't know about this guy. You're not gonna do it? Let me borrow your shoes then. Let me borrow your shoes and I'll do it. If you don't do it, I'm doing it. I'm serious. Yes.
It's a bug. He was halfway there. You're halfway there, literally.
Halfway there.
Halfway there.
I'm already halfway there. Halfway there. Army guy.
Who is this man?
He's training. He's training to kill Anwar al-Awlaki.
Shannon, go do it.
Really? I gotta use your shoes if I'm gonna do it.
Okay, it's all good. You can use them. If you do it, I'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Cameron, you're like, that's high.
It is hard.
You do that shit all the
I bet it is
time.
high.
I
I might bitch out. I don't know.
See, I'm not pumped up for it. You got halfway up there. I was like, oh my god. Stop videotaping me though. Saying all this.
That camera out of my face.
Saying all this stuff.
Oh man, these are weird. I don't like this. Ugh.
They're
I
all
feel like
wet.
I feel like I'm putting on his underwear. Dirty underwear. It's like I've got toe cheese.
Ew.
There has to be toe cheese in here.
Probably. They smell bad too.
Okay, I may or may not do it. I'm gonna climb up to the top. Oh fuck! Dude. If I climb to the top, I'm not climbing back down. I gotta jump down.
Have you done it before?
Hell no. I've never.
I'm actually
But the
shocked.
water's fine.
Cameron,
I'm
you
not gonna
jumped
break
you
my
jumped
leg.
higher from like that
Promise you I'm not gonna
before.
break my leg.
No, as long as you keep straight. Punch your butt cheeks when you hit the
Oh my god! Looking at it from even down here.
Cameron,
That's a long.
haven't you jumped off something higher than that
I
before?
have, but it's different.
Why?
Because I had my brother and Shannon going, do it, do it, do it.
Shannon, who?
His uncle Shannon.
Well, I might bitch out. I'm not promising you. Probably don't want to take these.
Look down.
Shut up, Cameron.
Look down at the water.
Cameron, that'd be mean.
I can't believe I didn't do it.
Almost there. Oh my god.
He's got balls right
I know.
now. I'll say that. It's tall.
Yes, it is.
Thinking I want to do it. All right, Shannon.
Getting right in the middle.
Hey, Shannon, go a little bit more that way. No, so you're able to swim.
Right here?
No, go more this way. So you're able to swim.
He needs to do it as fast as he can.
All right, go.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Film?
Yep, got it. Oh my gosh. Crazy.
All right. Tell me when.
Whenever you're ready. Oh God.
Oh my fuck.
Oh. Cameron, did you hear that? Did someone say don't do it or something? Holy crap. I got all that.
Holy shit.
Was it butterflies like no other?
It felt like it took like an hour for me to fall.
It took like 2 seconds.
I know. Somebody behind me was just like, do it!
I know, I heard. I thought someone said don't do it, but they actually said do it.
Oh, I'm touch right now. Fucking out of my ass. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Cameron, you gonna do it now?
Ow. That was the worst part.
What?
Coming up the briars. I
Oh,
just got under the rocks.
so tell me how you feel.
Alive. I think. Oh my god. Yeah, that was just fucking crazy. I did it for Satan. Woo! I thought I was gonna die, guys. You'll get you too if you don't pray.
He's climbing. He's almost there. Oh God.
He's gotta do it now. He's like, my girlfriend.
So, woo!
That's the scary part. That's the scary part, walking across.
It is.
Yeah, because like,
You got butterflies?
it's like, oh, my legs are shaking.
Your legs shaking?
My legs are shaking.
Your legs shaking? Sure? Why? You nervous? Bro, do it.
Complete silence.
Whenever you're ready, baby. What'd he do?
You alright? You alright?
Yeah.
That sounded like it hurt.
It sounded like you hurt his arm. Holy shit.
Slap those
Back
on.
to back.
Better go help him up.
Yeah. Wait, swim to the rocks, dude. Just swim to the rocks. I think you just swim to the rocks. Dude, you should come up the other way. Oh. Yeah, but yeah, look at this. Look. I got like a scratch on my sunburn from briars. Yeah. Okay, let's get out of here before we get arrested.
Real. I'm gonna get out.
Dude, you know what'd suck if it's like, my battery died.
No, I got plenty of battery in
Do
here.
it again.
Dude, that happened to me one time. It was the spot right behind Pizza Joint. You know that?
High five. Come here.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
can't believe I didn't do it first though.
You know,
It's
that
okay.
place right behind Pizza Joint?
Man, I'm such a...
Whoa.
I didn't say the EY.
Watch your
Edit
language.
that out.